celebrated annually on 22nd June to honor and promote the world's rainforests. Rainforests are a source of many resources like fresh water and air, as they absorb harmful gases like carbon dioxide, thus playing an important role in maintaining our planet.
Together on a day, we can all take positive and hopeful action to protect the rainforest and preserve its lifespan as it helps maintain our lives.
Rainforests are keeping our planet alive. They are home to half of the world's animal species. Yet every second, half of the hectare of land of rainforest are lost.
2017. It was created by a collaboration group called the Rainforest Partnership.